Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today on Fitness Tech Reviews, my friends, yes, I got friends at Ache2Wake, I believe that's how it's called, sent me a new massage gun that I'm going to go ahead and review. So let's go ahead and get into that video. First thing we need to do is unopen this box. So it was very nice of them to send me this. I am not sponsored here. They sent me a message on Instagram to get this guy. So this is their Ache2Wake Pro version. So what I'm going to be doing is a little unboxing here. See what you get in that box. Shipping company didn't do the best. This box is a little beat up, but I think this massage gun can take it. There's a little cut on the bottom. Opening this guy right up. Ooh, all right. A nice hefty case in there. That's what I'm talking about. All right, opening this case up. All right. As you can tell, it's going to come with a couple of different heads and the actual, of course, massage gun itself. All right, looks like a legit gun. I like the handle of this guy. But then it's going to come with a couple of different pieces that you can get a couple of different stimulations from that. So what I'm doing next week is I'm going to be using this guy, letting you know the pros, the cons of this gun, the price, but I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, and we are back. I've been using my Ache2Wake Pro for about a week now, and here are my thoughts. First thing I want to get into are the specs of this guy. So, with this Ache2Wake, it's going to have a 16 millimeter depth of its strokes. So it's a little bit deeper, a little bit more deep than your typical vibration massager. This is going to be more percussive to get deeper into those tissues, just like my Theragun that I reviewed before. Also, the force of this guy is going to be about 80 pounds of force before it stops. I mean, it's around that before it stops, so you can really get some good force in onto that Ache2Wake. It also has a 3200 milliamp hour battery that is detachable. So if you want to buy an extra battery, say you are a professional masseuse, you'll be able to grab an extra battery. You'll be able to grab an extra battery if you need it between clients and stuff like that, where the Theragun does not have that. That 32 milliamp hour will give you about 4 hours of massage time. All counts on how hard you are pushing and at what strokes per second. It has 5 customizable speed adjustments, going anywhere from 28 hertz, 28 pulses per second, to 47 pulses per second. So there is a lot of variability for all your needs. It's also going to have 4 attachments. It's got a thumb attachment, it's got a U attachment, it's got a soft head attachment, and it also has a flat head attachment that is aluminum. So you have a lot of different options for your recovery. It comes with a nice sturdy carrying case. Hopefully all of them come with carrying case. Please don't buy one without one. Believe me, when I go on like competitions, which I've been doing a lot lately, this becomes really clutch. So why do you want to buy a massage gun? There are so many benefits to this. A lot of you guys like to watch TV, and this is one of those ways you are able to recover while watching TV. With my Theragun, I would usually watch a TV. I would have to blare up that sound. So let me show you what this Theragun sounds like. So it's even hard to hear me right now with the Theragun running. It's pretty darn loud. Yes, it also does the 16 millimeter drive distance, but it's hard to hear me. It only has 2 speed adjustments. All right, now let's go into the Ache2Wake. So I'm gonna get that head on there. All I gotta do is hold the button for about 2 seconds, and it starts. And I believe it's already at, no, this isn't its highest one, so you have all your LEDs on the back, and you can hear me as I'm doing this. All right, now we are at the highest one, and as you can tell, it's not that loud, but my gosh, it gets really in there, and you can watch TV while doing this, which is really one of the biggest selling points, because I usually do this when I need to be watching something. I'll watch a YouTube video on my phone or something like this, and I have to blare it or have headphones on with the Theragun, and this guy is quiet enough to be able to do that. It does have an aluminum build, so it's a relatively sturdy guy, but the handle is plastic while the top is aluminum. So the pros with this guy. First thing, quiet. Quiet is probably my biggest pro for the Ache2Wake. Next is price. So you could find it anywhere from $300 on sale, even lower than that. it's going to be relatively affordable for a very good massage gun. Yes, you can get cheaper guns out there, but they will not have the same quality as this guy. Like the Theragun is even more expensive, and if I were to choose between the two, 100% would grab the Act-2A. Battery life is a big benefit. 4 hours of battery life, and it has that removable battery pack if you are looking for that little extra bit of flexibility. So overall, sounds all positives, right? Alright, so we have some negatives. One is the handle. Yes, it gives you an angle on this handle, so you'll be able to hit some spots a little bit easier, but that's one thing the Theragun does correct is the handle, so there's multiple ways to grab this gun to get in a couple different spots. So it is going to be a little bit more difficult, especially on your back, and even your lats a little bit to get after, a little bit of your glutes, but it's not that bad. You're definitely able to work around this, but it's not ideal when it comes to a handle. Second one is, yes, price, introductory, you're talking about $300. Yes, that's not the cheapest thing in the world when you're talking about something to help you recover, but you are getting quality with this. They also have a second product that's going to be a little cheaper. I think it's around $230 with the Act-2A, and then you can even get some cheaper ones on like Walmart. I'll link them down below, cheaper ones, but I definitely would recommend, if you're going to be using this relatively often, I would definitely recommend getting something quality, and this is a quality guy. Alright, recommendations. Would I recommend the Act-2A? I don't think you're going to be surprised to hear. Yes, I would recommend the Act-2A. There are so many great benefits to this Act-2A. If you're looking for a good massage gun, this is a good go-to. The only way I would not recommend this Act-2A if you are looking for something a little less expensive. I will link down the Walmart one down below, something that might be a little bit more in your price point, but if you are looking for a solid massage gun that's going to get you everything you need, Act-2A is the way to go, in my opinion. But other than that, hopefully you guys liked this video. Please smash that like button if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel if you really liked it. I have a bunch of different tech reviews coming throughout. But as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and above all, stay positive. I'll see you guys in the next one.